like we might need to get over to the right a little bit. The small boat right there? So, sorry, wait. I think they're both towards the stern of the vessel. Okay. Oh shoot, what is that? Yeah, the small boats are in the stern, so we're good for the bow. 30 seconds standby.
30 seconds standby, we'll gasket and full strobe light on, static lamp dash.
America, this is Master AAA speaking.
How far are you? I can't see you. You're on my stern, or?
Yes, sir, I pass your stern and then...
15 seconds standby.
15 seconds standby.
Make a lee side or starboard side for your small boat coming.
Yes, okay. As soon as I get my skiff loaded, I'm going to stop. I'm going to send him out to you. Send him out to you, or?
Okay, I pass your stern. And then I make a lee side on my starboard
Drop.
Give you the
Nice.
Small boat coming. Thank you.
Drops way back on board.